I think that worked. Now I'm ready.
Jump, 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 jump. Jumping high, jumping low. Jumping all around the place. Jumping, jumping, jumping. Time to go.
Ready and jump.
Whoa.
Oh, wow. I made it this far. Here we go. Hop, hop, hop. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 gum leaves along.
Yay!
I broke my long jump record.
Oh no, Freddy got the hiccups back.
I better get another drink of water. Chop chop! Oh, that didn't seem to work. Maybe if I take some deep breaths, my hiccups will go, and then I can keep on jumping. 1, 2, 3. Hey, I think it worked. My hiccups are gone.
Yay!
Chop chop! My measuring tape. It's moved. It's on the tree now. Hey, maybe I could use this for my high jump. I wonder how many gum leaves high I can jump. All right, here goes. And jump. Oh, look, I made it this high. Here we go. Whoop. Ha ha. And now my hiccups are gone. That's some great jumping, Joey Philly. I might go and see if the other Joeys want to have a jump too.
Yeah.